Keeps up with milestones. This 3-in-1 toddler bed easily keeps up with your growing child by seamlessly converting from toddler bed to chairs and a table. Conversion kit sold separately. It comes with a set of 3 paint markers. Designed for peaceful sleep, sturdy and intricate, the toddler bed boasts of adorable star detailing on both ends of the footboard and headboard. It comes with wooden slats for mattress support and center legs for reinforced stability. Starry Finishes, keep the nighttime theme alive with 2 finishes, navy and vintage oak. Safety certified, made of durable and sustainable New Zealand Pinewood with an acrylic footboard and headboard, the Star Toddler Bed is JPMA certified. It also meets or exceeds all applicable ASTM and CPSC standards. Product specs: the toddler bed is designed to accommodate a child up to 50 pounds. The bed weighs 26 pounds. With dimensions 59L×29W×24 inches. Top reviews from the United States. It's the perfect size for a toddler. Overall, this product is great. It's real wood and it's sturdy. My daughter is 3 and she can easily get in and out.